Hello guys, welcome to Niger Techland channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp account with a Frëe UK number. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So first of all, to start this process, we need two apps which include Freetone and Frëe VPN. So here is the Freetone app we'll be needing. I'll be dropping the link to the one in the description below. So the next app we'll be needing is the Frëe VPN. I'll also drop the link in the video description. So when you must have downloaded the two apps, the Freetone app and the Frëe VPN, what you need to when you must have downloaded the Freetone app and the Frëe VPN, what you need to do is to open up your drop down menu and put your phone on airplane mode. First of all, please make sure you follow the whole process so that you won't get any error. Once you put your phone on airplane mode, you connect to a Wi-Fi. So here I'm connected to my router. So once you are connected, you go ahead and open your Frëe VPN. Once you have opened the Frëe VPN, you need to connect to a location in UK. So here I'll be connecting to London. You can search for London and make sure you connect to a location in the United Kingdom. As you can see, it's connected. So the next thing I need to do is to open the Freetone app. Once you open the Freetone app, you can navigate through this, and then you will see here, you will see this review. You can go ahead and ignore, or you can read it. For now, I'll click on I accept. Once you navigate through the app, click on get started. Then here, once you see this page, you click on create an account. Then from here, you will see the list of available numbers that you can use. So now let's go back to our WhatsApp. Go back after confirming that the number is available on WhatsApp. Click on confirm this number. Then you enter your email address here. And enter your password. Select your age and select your gender and click on register. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this verification page. You click on I'm not a robot. So here is our number. The number is now available to the account. You can close this page. Here you have to select the call me option because the SMS option is not available. Click on the call me. Then go back to your Freetone app. Here is the incoming call from WhatsApp. here just type your name and click on next. You can add a picture if you want. Our WhatsApp account, our UK WhatsApp account has been created successfully. So here is the, as you can see, here is the UK number boldly showing here. Now you can continue using this WhatsApp for as long as you like. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you on the next one.